Hello fellow crafters, it's me again, and I am bringing you guys back. Sorry about no video on Wednesday. I haven't been feeling good, so I opted to not make a video with the half of an attitude. But today I do have a special, as you can see here, some couple of items that I have here. The video to show you other ideas for your albums or paper, since a lot of us cannot still go out or shouldn't go out if we're trying to stay home and stay safe. Number one is your I have a HP printer who hates anything but HP, and I have a whole bunch of these that I got from the Dollar Tree or the 99, and I was just thinking, what can I do with photo paper that my printer doesn't want? Well, as you guys know, we all junk journal. We all, well, some of us, for those who do junk journaling or your albums, you can make little ephemera embellishments with these. You can cut them the size that you want and just put everything on this side, or photo mat if you want it all white. This one seems to be a little bit thinner. I don't know where this one came from. I don't know if Polaroid's a little thicker, but they are kind of thin. You just treat them as regular paper. Use up what you've got and make sure that you can go ahead and craft away with all the stuff that we're just collecting. Now, what do I have here, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Sorry about that. Let me tell you. Since I am working on the wedding album, I am going to make some paper printed from the wedding dress that I had for my wedding, which was 31 plus years, almost 32 in August. And I've been having it in these bags, vacuum sealed and all this. See that it's a little dingy. Okay, so here it is out of the bag after I don't know how long. The color is a little dirty. I might want to go ahead and just kind of get it cleaned up, but for now it's good enough to scan and make some paper out of it. I do like the trim on this and the lace on it to make some paper. I'm hoping that my expectations are not too high after scanning it and printing on cardstock, but whatever it may be, I'm going to go ahead and get it done, use it and enjoy it for now, and just put them in my memory book as the album. But this is another pattern that I love. It's like a wedding crown type of flowers. There you are. Okay, so here is my attempt to go ahead and put the dress inside. I have to manipulate this a little bit, but I just want that little piece. Let's see. Alright, let's see if it's going to do it, because... Okay. Let's see if it's going to work. 3 o'clock. Alright. And there it is, guys. So I might have to do some finagling, but I'm going to scan as much as I can of the dress, all the prints, everything that I get, and then once I'm done, I will go ahead and open it up. What I done, I will do probably don't want print what I had to want and see what I come up with. So let me go ahead. I'll be right. All this print, all this scan. Okay, so I am back. I took pictures of the dress. I scanned the dress in a couple of spots, and this is one. I'll show you close. This is one of the prints, and I love how this here is. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera or not, but this is really beautiful. Now you got your lace up here. Maybe I can clear it up a little and go ahead and use it as one of my backdrops of the picture frames of the mats for the pictures. So see, you can use anything, any material, any fabric with your scanner, and just scan it into the computer, print it out, see if you like it, and if not, go back and mess with the settings and see if you can come up with something that you're really happy with, and then we just cut it to the size. You know, I would probably cut this into the size of 7 by 5 or 7 by 7 or something, and then put one of my pictures there showing the dress off. I also took a whole bunch of pictures of the dress. I put the dress away, but that's another thing. If you're doing an album of an anniversary or something like that, get some pictures of the wedding dress, maybe the groom's suit, and revise it if it's been years like mine. You know, I didn't take pictures back then of my wedding dress or anything. They didn't take really a lot of pictures. They just take the main pictures and that was it. Church pictures, no one went to the back and took pictures of me and nothing like that. So what I'm trying to say is, for an album, think of the theme that you're doing and go with that theme and find things that go with that theme to make paper, cardstock paper, you know, just as a memory down the line. You want to go back, and you don't want to take your wedding dress or that special thing out all the time, so you have that. And I think this is a really nice idea. If you guys like it, comment down below and tell me what you did or did not like about the idea. And yes, I'm exhausted. I am tired. It is hot, and I've just gone through hurdles to get through everything that I had to get done. But I brought it to you guys. I wanted you guys to actually have more ideas for your album. It's a baby album, maybe a favorite, if you're doing one for the first year or something, a favorite outfit of the baby. Pictures of the mom and a dad, you know, or just the mom, or just the dad in many circumstances. Alright, so let's go down our list of things that we wanted to go ahead, and I have my notes right over here, a couple of notebook sketches that I have been doing. Okay, so my notes are here. I'm holding you guys. I don't want to put you guys on the pod or the overhead thing. And what I've done is I collected all of my notes of things that I want. Here is the style and things of ideas that I have put together. Closures, what kind of closures do I want? The edges, I would like to incorporate before I get into it. I want to go ahead and see if I can get the Cricut to cut some of that, some flip outs, some tags and folders, and some belly bands somewhere. A waterfall, because that's always really nice to have in an album, any album at all. And then, of course, our 1/2-inch score for our gusset mini magnets. I'm still on order. Amazon has been ridiculous. I ordered some. Somehow they never arrived, and it took me forever to get to hold of somebody because nobody's on the other side of the line, so you have to basically chat with them. And finally I got a resolve, and it's not going to be here till Tuesday. Probably won't need them till then, but I just wish I had them. Decorative elements, your cardstock, your chipboard, your glue, scoreboard, anything that you might need. You can pause the video, and if you're doing one of these, you can go ahead and make your own notes. You know, I do want shells. I don't have punches, shape punches, just the regular circles and stuff, so I'm gonna have to do everything on Cricut. So that's what I've done, and this is the ideas page. And as you can see, the front page with the picture frame, I kind of wanted to make it like a shaker pocket. Wedding date, wedding scenes, I gotta look up all that stuff to get that done. Front page is going to be, this is just going to be the the front page, not the front cover, which is, pretend this is the album. This is the front cover, and this is the front page. The first page would be this one here. This one would be the book cover, inside book cover. So that's what I would like to do there. Decorative pockets and flip outs. On the second page would be here, and that would be picture frame, corner decoration of anything that I might have, and then put a big picture of me. Why not? And there's some more pages, ideas. You know, you got your groom page, your bride's page, charms that you found around the house. I have a couple of them for my 25th anniversary that I'm going to incorporate. And I believe I have all that in there. Don't remember if I showed you last time what I had or did not have. And here's more notes. If you guys have not gotten to that part in your planning, you still can. Go ahead and just write things down. This is a little sketchbook from the Dollar Tree that I bought exactly for this. For any ideas that pop in my head, I draw them out. I'm a visual, so I need to see things. First page, before scenes. Take a pic of the dress. Done. Should mark that off. And I will insert some couple of photos that I put, that I did take of the dress. Sayings that I might want. I've always been a coffee lover, so even back then, you are flavor to my coffee, whipped cream to my mocha, and sugar to my latte. Those were one of the things that I do remember about when we dated. We went out to a coffee shop before he had to go to work. Insert photo mats, navy blue with edges, and I have to find what kind of edge do I want. And that's another idea. Cover ideas would be love story, narrative, say, you know, basically. And then some more little ideas of the cover. A shaker photo frame, maybe, you know, something like this with the frame and a decorative area here. The ties is another thing. Do I want ties? Do I want a ribbon and just tie the ribbon down? Maybe I can find something that matches, a ribbon that matches the dress. Put that in there. And then more ideas. These are just another idea, totally different from the other. Front page and the back page. My first page would be this. Decorative items on the side, a pocket with decoratives, a frame with decorative corner, right here, flower, sprigs, excuse me. A little flip here on the third page. You flip it that way, and then underneath would be, you know, pockets. That just tells you what I'm doing there. Here's a little flip picture mat. You open it and it goes that way. Here's a little pocket where you can stick things in there. These are all ideas that I put down on paper so I can go ahead and know, you know, what I want when I'm doing it. A waterfall. I do want a waterfall. Decorative elements, string, ribbon, and then wrap around. So at the bottom I can go ahead and just put like a little button or something cute at the bottom and just wrap the ribbon around that. Back page, I do want a pocket, photo mat, and then these are all the measurements for an 8x8 album. The spine is going to be 8 by 3.5, pretty chunky. 3 pieces of cover stock and all the stuff that we do need. You guys can go ahead and pause that and go ahead and take notes on that if you guys want. And if you have your own size, then get your own measurements for that size of album. And then more ideas here. Pages, score at, place at, you know, little things like that. But you can go ahead, this is a photo frame idea, you can go ahead and grab any stack of papers and just staple them or make holes and put ribbons on them and just put your own little album idea book together. And then of course over here there's, you know, the colors of different. This is another album I like to make for a special friend whose wedding should happen in June, but we don't know with everything that's going on. And there you go. I need to watch some tutorials. I need some tie back. But these are the things. Baroque frame, which I did get. Don't know what that meant. Stickles, diamond stickles. Anything you have, put it together, put it in a box. I'm doing this, going ahead and see that little cart there. I just fill that up, and that way that's my next project. So I just have all that refilled, and I know what I need, and it's all there. Just pull it out and get it done. Guys, thank you so much for staying around. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are interested in more videos like this, and I hope you guys continue to come back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't, and go ahead and share. Comment down below. Those likes are really needed, and I really need you guys to go ahead and click on the like button so we can get this video out there for everybody else to enjoy it. Talk to you guys later. Bye for now.